Hey guys, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. So for today's video, I just want to talk about a little bit, use a medical analogy today to help convey a thought. You know, if somebody has pain, like say somebody's having chest pain, that's a sign for them to go to the hospital and they go to the emergency room and get evaluated, because that chest pain they may be having a heart attack. And if they catch the heart attack in time, or if they catch, if there's early intervention done in those type of situations, the patient's pain will resolve and the underlying defect will also be addressed. And in this sense, that the chest pain that the person experiences, it's good for them. It's a warning sign. It tells them that something is important and needs to be addressed, and then they go ahead and treat the underlying cause. Similarly, for us, we also have trials and tribulations, and these may cause discomfort to us, but the fact of the matter is they're good for us because they're a warning sign, and they kind of alert us about the spiritual problems or spiritual defects that we're having within ourselves, and we can address them, especially if we address the underlying issue. So, for example, you keep having trials and tribulations. If you take heed from them, then you'll benefit from that, and it'll be good for you because you'll be able to basically fix the defect that you're having. So if somebody had chest pain and they went to the emergency room and they said, I don't care about the spiritual defect, I don't care about the underlying problem, just give me some pain medication, then you would think that this person is not very smart. Similarly, if we're having trials and tribulations and we just put a bandage over them, we don't fix the underlying fact, then that's problematic in this sense. And we should be grateful and understand that these trials and tribulations, therefore, are benefits. So for example, if somebody did not have chest pain, like diabetics, they don't have, their nerves are not as sensitive. So if somebody doesn't have chest pain, they could just have a heart attack and die in their sleep. Or they could just their heart attack could become so massive that before the chest pain even starts, that they're not able to overcome it, and they succumb to the heart attack. Similarly, if we become so spiritually numb, and we don't have a connection with our Lord, then sometimes these trials and tribulations, we won't even realize that they're bad for us or anything like that, and we'll become numb to the spiritual pain in this sense. So like a take-home message, I guess, in this type of situation is it's important to recognize that that when we have trials and tribulations, that they're good for us and they're important for us, and that they should be a means of purifying ourselves, and we need to basically address the underlying ideology or the cause in these type of situations, so that we can improve ourselves and overcome not just the chest pain or the spiritual pain, but that we can fix the problem that's deeper down than that, inshallah. I hope that kind of makes sense. All right, jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum.